चलो सेल इधर।
Welcome back to my channel, and as you guys know that I have been to Sarojini Market when I was in Delhi, and it had been delayed from such a long time. I wanted to show you guys what I got from Sarojini. I got a huge clothing haul and also some of the earrings too. So without further ado, let me show you guys what I got. These many clothes from Sarojini. So you know guys that I'm such a freak for clothing, so I think I need not to explain every single thing about me. So yeah, I got these many clothing. So first tip which I want to give you, if you are buying any clothes from Sarojini Market, you should keep in mind that in Sarojini they are keeping their clothes in bundles, hanging their clothes outside for such a long time. So make sure whenever you buy something from Sarojini, please do remember you should give it a good wash after taking it from the market. And after washing it with the detergent, make sure you wash it with the Dettol or something which makes every microorganisms inside the clothes to get outside, to get rid of those microbes. So yeah, this is what my advice is for the people who buy clothes from Sarojini. So yeah, the first dress which I got from Sarojini is this dress. This is really nice printed dress. I really like it. The print and the look is very bohemian kind of. But I tried it to give it a retro mix of a look with a party kind of theme. So I just put a heavy makeup with it and the red heels. But I really like the dress, and this knot is actually behind the knot. But I really like to make it a bow kind of. So I made this kind of bow in front of it. So this is the dress and the cloth is very nice. And guys, the thing is, I just got this dress in 50 rupees. Can you beat that thing? 50 rupees? You cannot buy anything in 50 rupees, especially from Sarojini Market. It's like, oh my god, you can get anything in 50 to 100 or 200 rupees. If you want to buy any clothing item from Sarojini, it will maximum cost like 250 or something, not more than that. So I really like that market, but you have to surf a lot, you have to, scroll it out again. So yeah, this is my first dress. So I will show you the rest of the dress, but I won't wear it out. So the second thing which I got is this. Which I got from Sarojini is this shirt, which I really like. It's like a lining shirt and black lining is there. I really wanted to try something like that. Like I made one video with the lining shirt like that. I wanted to try some thin lining. I have a thick lining shirt. So this shirt is really nice and the cloth is very nice. It's totally cotton stuff. And the second thing is, I really like the sleeves. If you can see, when I will wear, I will show you guys how the sleeves are. I really like the sleeves. It's not a kind of full sleeves, it's kind of half semi sleeves. And I wanted to try these kind of shirts. So yeah, this is the second thing. And this is also I got in 50 rupees. Can you beat it? No. So yeah, this is in 50 rupees. I gave wash to every single cloth. Only the thing is, I have to iron this one. After ironing, I will wear it and show you guys. So yeah, this is the second thing which I got, and the third thing which I got is this. Again a dress, a strip dress which is really, classic kind of. I wanted to buy something like that. And if you go to H&M or Zara or something, some of those brands, so these kind of dresses, they cost like 1500, 1600 or even above 2000. So I got this dress. I know I have to iron these things, but the dress and from the back is very nice. I really love this dress, and when the time I got to see this dress, I was like, I want that. Seriously. And this is also 50 rupees. I think I have, scrolled down the 50 rupees thing. So this is the second thing, very nice strip dress. I will post the pictures on my Instagram, so you do follow me on my Instagram. The link is in the description box. So the fourth thing which I got is this jeans, which is really nice. This is actually, I wore it for once. So this is actually, I really like this kid kind of thing on the sides. I really love the detailing of the jeans, and this jeans is actually the most expensive thing, which is not actually expensive for me. It's like 200 rupees only. The quality is very nice. I have never bought any jeans from Sarojini earlier. This is the first time when I'm going to try something from Sarojini, like jeans kind of stuff. But I really like this, and surely I'm gonna post the picture and you can see the stuff and everything is really nice in just 200 rupees. So this is it with this one. So the next thing which I got is this shrug. The shrugs detailing, the golden detailing, I loved it, and they have a beads over it, and the shrug is really long and the tassel thing down is really nice, and it looks so good that I wanted to buy it when I saw it, although it's very loose to me, if you can see, but the detailing is really nice. But I think I will style it up with something else, not with this dress, but something else for sure. I will style it up, and the cloth is really nice. It's a kind of Georgette cloth, but I think this will look great when you will go for a party or something. I think this will be the best thing to wear. So yeah, this is the another thing which I got in just 50 rupees. I know you guys will be laughing that everything she got in 50 rupees. So my favorite things which I got from Sarojini when I went there is these skirts which I got it from there. I think I will love this when I will be wearing it, and I think when I will go to some for dancing or something, then I will wear this one. So look at the detailing of this skirt. It's like a frills kind of, 3 layers of frills, and I really like this stuff. It's because it's jean stuff, and I really love this kind of denim stuff. And from the behind the back, they have given an illusion of a pocket, which is really nice. I really love the thing, and this also cost like 50 rupees. I know, I'm gonna beat you guys here, because I think many of the people make the videos, but none of them have got everything in 50 rupees. So the another skirt which I got is this pleated skirt, black in color, and this skirt I saw many of the people styling up these kind of skirts, so I thought let's just buy this skirt. So this is the skirt, and I think it will give a very retro kind of look. I think I'm in love with the retro, so I'm always speaking retro. So yeah, this is the skirt, and this also I got in 50 rupees along with that. But from the same stall from where I got that lining one piece, from the same stall I got this one in 50 rupees. And the next thing, from the same stall where I got this skirt, I got this one also. So this is a kind of a schoolgirl skirt, is called whatever. So this skirt I got it from the same stall, and it's also having pockets at the back. It really feels like I want to wear it as soon as possible. Whenever I'll be going to shift back to Delhi, I'll be wearing these things. So yeah, this skirt is really nice. Next skirt, not skirt, but a shorts. This is the shorts which I got, not from the same stall, but I don't know, I was just roaming around. I seriously don't know from where did I picked it up, but I really wanted shorts from a longer time, and a girl like me who is curvy do not get sizes easily. But seriously man, when I saw this, it totally fits me, and I really enjoy wearing this one, and for sure I will post pictures soon. So this is the detailing of the skirt. I really like the front pockets. It gives a squarish kind of illusion from the sides, and I just want to try it as soon as possible. I will make a try on haul also. So yeah, this is the shorts. And the last thing in clothing section which I got is this really nice peachy orangish peach kind of off shoulder, not off shoulder but one shoulder top. It's kind of this. I don't have anything to wear underneath for this, but I really wanted to try whenever I get something to wear underneath for this. But this top is really nice. I can't even explain. It's totally cotton first of all. I like the frilly thing, and it have a really nice detailing lace over it. No words for this top. I got just, oh my god, what I got it. So this is the last thing in clothing section which I got. So yeah, this is what I got. So many clothes. It's just I think everything including the earrings, and I also got that what is called pop socket also. I got 2 of them. Everything I shopped for like 1200 rupees. That's it. In 1200 so many things I got. So this is the last thing in the clothing section. So let me show you the earring section too. So let's go there. You what I got in the clothing section, but again I got 2 of the pop socket. One is there in my phone. I can't show you that one right now, but this is the another one, the heart kind of pop socket. I really like this one. It's so cute, and soon I'm gonna put it on my phone, but right now I have that floral pop socket on my phone. So this is the pop socket which I got, and the next section which I got is the earring section. I got this hoops. This hoops is actually I can't even show you in the video. This is actually a metallic kind of hoop which is matte in look. Metallic ही होता है hoops तो, but it's actually in matte look. So this is the hoops. If you can see in the video. No, I think you won't be able to, but I really like the matte look of this hoops. So yeah, this is the second thing which I got. And another thing which I got is this earrings. This is very small earrings. The hoops I got in 50 rupees. This is also in 50 rupees. My whole haul video is in 50 rupees. Only one thing in 200. So this is the another earring. It's a kind of a fish. I really wanted to buy some small earrings, so this, I don't know, it's not visible now, but yeah, this is the earring which I got. It's very small and it's kind of a fish. So this is the second earring. And again I got 2 different kind of hoops, but it's not actually a round one, it's in different shapes. So let me show you. This is a kind of a heart shaped hoop, in which they have given a kind of a different kind of detailing. I don't know what to tell this detailing. So this is the hoop which I got in heart shape. So yeah, the next one which I got is this silver earring, which is like this one in squarish shape. I wanted to try something different, that's why I got every different kind of hoops. It also have a different kind of detailing. It will, from a closer look, it will look like a shimmery thing, but actually it's not, and it's really nice. Sorry, it's really nice. Whatever. So the last thing which I got in the jewelry section is this ring. Actually, I already have so many rings, but I wanted to buy this bohemian kind of ring. My nails are not there now, but if you can see the ring. So yeah, this is the ring which I got. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. I got these many things and all in just 50 rupees. This ring is also in 50 rupees and all earrings and everything in 50 rupees except for the denim. rest of the all of the things in just 50 rupees. So I think Sarojini is the best market to buy things from there. So I really enjoyed shopping from Sarojini. I every time actually enjoyed shopping from Sarojini, and I think you must also go and shop from Sarojini market. And I think most of you know about the Sarojini market, and if you don't know, I will put the location in the description box below. So go and check it out. Also do follow me on my Instagram. I will post every single picture. I will wear those clothes and then I will put every single picture on my Instagram. So go check it out there. And also if you want to stay connected with me, then you can share. You can follow me on every single thing like Twitter and everything, whatever. So yeah, really love you guys and thank you for watching my video. And yeah, I'm so excited actually. I've shopped so many things, so I'm just nervous and excited. So yeah, this is it guys. I love you and yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.